how to restrict outgoing calls to only specific phone numbers or prefixes on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, open up the phone app. Next, tap on the more button, then tap on settings. And from call settings, we then scroll down and tap on supplementary services. Then go down and tap on fixed dialing numbers, and then tap on turn on FDN. Now put in your pin 2. Now if you don't know where it is, by default it is 40. Then tap on OK. Okay, so now that it is turned on, next you need to go down to FDN list and add in the phone number that you want to allow for your phone to make outgoing calls. So by using fixed dialing numbers, it is a feature on the Samsung phone that allows you to restrict outgoing calls to only specific phone numbers or prefixes. So here we tap on the more button and then tap on add. Next, tap in the name. So let's say mom. And then phone number is 12345618990. So that's just an example. You put in your real phone number. Down here, put in the pin 2, then tap on saved. Okay, so any phone number in this FDN list will be allowed to be called. So your phone can only dial to the phone numbers in this list. Anything that's not in this list will be blocked. And that's it. If later on you want to turn off this feature, you can tap on turn off FDN and then enter in the pin and then tap on OK. And that's it. That is how you can restrict outgoing calls to only specific phone numbers on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.